Happy New Year, and let's start putting the McCall method to work. I'm going to do videos that you can use now and practice now and see results now. Yeah, man. I'm Lisa McCall, and I am the Posture Princess. That's me on Instagram. We're going to talk today about applying the McCall method right now in your life. Let's do it. Let's not beat around the bush. I want you to be able to have videos that you can go turn it on, do it, practice it, do it for a week, email me and tell me if it works. Okay? All right, let's do bending. Let's do butt up the air. And when we do butt up the air, we're going to just bend over to pick up something. So I'll throw this pillow down, make this my little item of getting up. Here I go. I'll even take this shirt off because I think if I take this shirt off, sweater, you will be able to see my back, and we're going to use my back as a guide. Fingers in the groove, feet far enough apart that I can bend down to the floor, soften your knees, turn my thighs out, plant my big toe. Not crank your knees, turn my thighs out, plant my big toe, begin to bend with keeping the arch in the back. Pick it up, don't slump, pick it up, come back up. Throw it back down, fingers on your spine, soften your knees, take your butt way back. Weight in the heels, some in the toe, big toe, stretching. Don't slump, don't let your head fall. Reach, pick it up. Let's do it again. Fingers on the spine, move a little. Gently turn the thighs out, relaxing the groin, moving the crotch back, moving the butt back, taking the butt up, spine nice and straight, all the way up. Pick up the pillow. Let's do it again. Fingers on the spine, thighs turn out, pick up the pillow. Soften the knees, keep your arms short. Remember to keep the spine straight. Oh wow, I can't reach it. Go a little deeper in the hips, take the butt a little higher. 5 times every single day. See what happens. Subscribe, share. See you later.